In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency conversion to Payhip. If you want to make your store easier for customers in different regions to understand and shop from, updating your currency settings is a simple but important step. In Payhip, this can be done directly from your account settings, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and account preferences. Once the dashboard has loaded, look for the account option. Click on Account to open the account-related menu. From there, click on Settings. This section is where Payhip stores the main configuration options for your shop, so anytime you need to adjust something behind the scenes, this is usually where you'll go. After you're in Settings, select Payment Details. This is the page that controls how your payments and currency preferences are set up. If you're specifically trying to change the currency your store uses, this is the area you'll need. On the Payment Details page, find your current currency setting. You should see the currency that is currently selected for your account. Click on that current currency to open the drop-down menu. This drop-down will display the available currency options you can choose from. Now, simply select the currency you want. Once you click your preferred option, Payhip will update the selection based on what you've chosen. Make sure you pick the one that best matches your business needs or the audience you primarily sell to. For example, if most of your buyers are in a specific country, choosing that local currency can help create a smoother and more familiar checkout experience. As a quick tip, after changing your currency, it's a good idea to review how your product pricing appears in your store. That way, you can confirm everything looks the way you expect, and your customers will see clear, consistent pricing. And that's it. You've now gone to your Payhip dashboard, opened account, accessed settings, clicked into payment details, opened the currency dropdown, and selected the currency you want to use. Once you know where these settings are, making changes in the future becomes very straightforward. If you're adjusting your store for an international audience or simply refining your setup, this small change can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your storefront feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.